Star Plus's show Saath Nibhana Saathiya 2 has been working wonders on the small screen ever since the first episode. Earlier, it was reported that the show's lead characters Rupal Patel, Devolina Bhattacharjee and Mohammad Nazim, who play the roles of Kokila Modi, Gopi Bahu and Ahem, will soon make their exit from the show. The famous characters of Saath Nibhana Saathiya, Kokila Ben, Gopi and Ahem, along with a few other members of Modi family, were brought back in the sequel to support the season 2 for the finite period. Although the makers had tried their best to keep this under wraps, but this news was out soon. Rupal Patel, who assists the role of Kokila Modi, has already shot for her last day on the set last week. And now it's Devolina Bhattacharjee and Mohammad Nazim who will be bidding adieu to the show today. That's right, the actors are shooting for their last day on the sets today at Naigaon's Ramdev Studios. While talking about their exit from the show, Rupal Patel had quoted, "I have been working in the industry for many years, but I have never done a show for a month. But when I was approached with the sequel of Saath Nibhana Saathiya, it was for me 1 month only. And now that a month is over, I will be making an exit from the show which was already planned." Rupal had also explained why she had agreed to be the part of the show for a finite time period. "I said yes for the small journey in Saath Nibhana Saathiya 2 only because it's my gratitude to all the fans of Kokila Ben and Rupal Patel. I have received so much love and support from my audience, especially for this character and the show, that when makers came to me with this idea for joining and supporting them uplift, it was my moral responsibility as a creative artist to say a yes for it." Gopi Bahu, aka Devolina, managed to bring back the same charm which she had in the previous season. Also, Mohammad Nazim, who is seen in the double role, managed to impress the viewers with his stellar performance. The actors are set to bid adieu to the star cast and the show, and it is indeed a heartbreaking moment for the ardent fans of Saath Nibhana Saathiya 2. The show's story will now focus on Gehna and Anand and how they will unite soon. Apart from that, Gehna's troubles are set to double with Kokila and Gopi not being there to support her. Kanak's character will become more powerful now. It will be interesting to see how the story turns out to be. Will you miss Gopi, Ahem and Kokila on the show? Tell us in the comments. Also, stay tuned to Daily Chakkar for all the latest updates.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.